To create a Bill4Time invoice, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the Invoices tab. From here, click on the New Invoice button to begin the invoicing process. First, select the client you want to invoice by choosing their name from the drop-down menu or searching for them using the search bar. If the client is not already in your system, you can add them by clicking on the New Client button. Next, enter the invoice details, including the invoice date, invoice number, and payment terms. You can also add a description or memo to the invoice if needed. Now, add the services or expenses you want to invoice by clicking on the Add Time or Add Expense buttons. If you have already tracked time or expenses for the client, you can select them from the list and add them to the invoice. If not, you can manually enter the time or expenses. After adding all the services and expenses, review the invoice to ensure everything is accurate. You can also add taxes or discounts if applicable. Once you are satisfied with the invoice, click on the Save and Finalize button to complete the invoicing process. You can then choose to send the invoice to the client via email or print it out and mail it to them. It is best practice to regularly review and update your invoices to ensure they are accurate and reflect the current services and expenses. Additionally, consider setting up automatic invoicing to streamline your billing process and reduce administrative time. By following these steps and best practices, you can create professional and accurate invoices using Bill4Time, helping you to get paid faster and manage your finances more efficiently.